To impact the nation, one must have the ability to evolve, to innovate. At Advanced Technology International, we are at the leading edge of innovation. For more than 25 years, we have developed new ways to help the federal government execute its most urgent research and development initiatives. ATI was founded on a simple premise: building and leading technology development collaborations by recruiting, organizing, and managing consortia of the best and brightest in industry and academia to solve our nation's most complex challenges. We have extensive experience using all acquisition strategies, including other transaction authorities, or OTAs, used by the federal government to quickly and flexibly develop new technologies. Under the single-point contracting model, ATI is entrusted with management and administrative functions that empower the innovators to develop critical solutions and capabilities, and allows the government to focus on the mission. Over the last 25 years, we have cultivated a full suite of capabilities that support all innovators and entrepreneurs while accelerating the development of emerging technologies at the speed of relevance. We are a catalyst for innovation, helping our nation deliver transformative technologies of the future today. At ATI, we accelerate impact.